ACCA or USCMA, which one gives you a highest return on your investment? Let's discuss in this video. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA, Indian Chartered Accountant and a commerce career coach. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down which course is most suitable for you, ACCA or USCMA, based on multiple factors, not just based on the curriculum course structure. We have made already a lot of videos on what is covered in ACCA and USCMA course structure. You can go and watch those videos. Who should be doing ACCA and who should be doing USCMA? First of all, what is your area of interest is very important, guys. If you like accounting, you like auditing, you like taxation, then ACCA is the course for you. Now, if you are someone out of 12th and you don't know what is there in these fields, then let me give you a simple brief. ACCA covers accounting, which you all must be knowing. Auditing is more of investigation. If you like to investigate, you're quite curious, then that's the field for you. Taxation is about compliance, filing tax returns, doing tax computation. So that is covered in your ACCA. However, if I look at USCMA, if you like budgeting, planning, forecasting, decision making, risk management, then USCMA is the course for you. So you are someone who's good with logics, you are someone who likes numbers, then you should be going for USCMA. So depending upon your area of interest, you can choose the course. So the scope of work for both of these qualification is, for an ACCA, it is accounting, auditing, taxation. For a USCMA, it is more on financial analysis and planning. So that will be your scope of work. So first, I have my interest, I have understood the scope. Now let's understand further. So second factor to consider is the duration. ACCA is a longer course. It is going to take you 2 years to complete the entire qualification, and it is having 13 papers altogether. USCMA is a very short course. You can finish it in as fast as 6 months to 1 year, and you have just 2 levels. So based on this also you can decide which course to do depending on how much time period you have for your studies. Next, you need to see where you plan to do a job. Both the qualifications have global recognition, global qualification. However, ACCA is a UK and a European country based of course, and USCMA is USA based course. So depending on where you want to go in your future, you can decide on the course that you want to select. Both the courses can be started right after 12th standard at your graduate level. Moving on to the most interesting part which you've been waiting for, the return on investment. So guys, if I have to talk in terms of cost and the pay package, in ACCA you will be spending roughly about 3 lakh rupees, which is including all your ACCA cost, compliance cost, and the expected salary that you can get as a fresher, graduation plus ACCA would be close to 6 to 7 lakh rupees per annum. I would say your return on investment is roughly 6 months, because you're spending 3 lakhs over 3 years and you're going to get back the same investment in 6 months of your job. So that is a rough calculation with ACCA. Moving on to USCMA. Okay, so USCMA is a little more pocket friendly course. You can finish the entire qualification in close to 1 lakh rupees. So that's your entire registration, your examination, all of that. And the package that you can expect as a USCMA as a fresher along with a BCom graduate is close to 4 to 5 lakh rupees per annum. So if I take a 4 lakh rupees package with a 1 lakh rupee of cost of USCMA, then typically it is taking you 3 months to recover your cost, and that's the return on investment on your USCMA. So I hope you've got a good clarity on if ACCA is the course for you or if USCMA is the course for you. However, if you're still confused, want more detailing on what these courses are suitable for, what kind of growth you can expect, then guys, do drop your questions below and I will address all of those questions, or probably I can also make a video on those questions. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more of your confused friends so that they can get good clarity. And I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you.